Welcome to the September 2023 issue of Pumper Magazine. On the cover, meet Sean O'Keefe and Max DeAngelis, the dynamic duo behind Hurricane Hydrovac's remarkable rise. With roots in excavation and a passion for top-notch service, they've built a fleet of 26 robust trucks. Learn their secrets to success and why quality equipment and culture matter. Pumper Magazine's Classy Truck feature is going digital with a new Facebook group and Instagram presence. Join the community, share your rig, and learn from fellow pumpers. Are your training investments falling short of expectations? Discover 3 major challenges plaguing businesses and practical solutions. Maximize your training dollars now. Pumping too frequently can spell trouble for your customers' systems. Learn why excessive pumping can hinder beneficial microbe growth, strain disposal facilities, and rack up unnecessary costs. Discover a smarter approach to septic tank maintenance. The 2023 Vacuum Excavation Directory is your guide for making informed decisions when purchasing this essential equipment, connecting you with the top providers and ensuring you get the most value for your investment. In the world of business, day one is the best time to plan for tomorrow. Discover why trusts trump wills, especially for family businesses, and how expert advice can secure your legacy. Get ready to discover the latest in equipment and technology in the world of hydro excavation. Meet the experts who know the ins and outs of the industry, learn about innovative equipment they use, and stay ahead of the curve in the fast-paced world of underground utility excavation. Meet Rick Mien, owner of Mien Septic Service in Robbins, Iowa. With 50 years in the industry, Rick shares his insights on association involvement, challenges in wastewater, and the changing landscape of regulations. Speaking of rules and regs, in Nevada's Las Vegas Valley, on-site system owners rallied against a bill pushing for municipal connections. Learn how this community's voice changed legislation, affecting the future of water usage in the region. The classy truck of September is this silver metallic 2019 Peterbilt. Check out all its features on page 66. When it comes to hydro excavation, Ditch Witch's W12 truck vac is a game changer. With 1,200 gallons of water, a 12 cubic yard debris tank, and powerful specs, it's designed for efficiency and versatility. Send your story ideas to editor@pumper.com. Thanks for watching, and see you next month.